So what we have to do now? Start from the basics of deployment. So to deploy, so first of all you choose hosting. So I'm choosing the Koyabe, which is provide me a free hosting of project. I go for the Heroku, but Heroku is not providing me free hosting, so that's why I changed to another one. So that is my own, which I create. That is Heroku. Yes. So this is platform which I use, and you can also use. So this is platform which I use to upload or host my site. So what we do, basically you sign up. So basically you're going for sign up, and after sign up it is easy. You can use your Google account and sign up. After sign up, you can log in with this credential. So I will just log in. So after login, you your dashboard look like this. So what you have to do now, you just click on create app web. So I will show you. I host one. So what do you do? Create one, and when create, you select your GitHub account and you choose your project link from there. So I choose my end-to-end ML project. After choosing this project, what we what you have to do now, you basically use build pack. So what is the build pack? It is a builder of server or environment of your project. So basically it's do is check first of all where is your code now. So you can choose builder, build pack or Docker. So I will first use builder pack, then I will also again create one same project on the Docker file. So build project, what it do, basically it go from your project and it choose the run txt. That is the first requirement of this build pack. So you define your environment language or version. Python version I will choose 3.9, and it is also specified in the build package. So that is here. It is also in Heroku defined key which version you choose and which version not. So there is version defined in this project. So basically it supports 3.9 18, 3.10 13, 3.11, 3.12. So you can follow this website to understand how the build build block work. So what we have to do, you define here your version, and after that it go for the requirement.txt, and you basically create your requirement.txt by using the freeze command. And after the create the requirement.txt, what you have to do, we install, we already installed in your system. So you go for the wsgi. What is it? So it is port file. What is doing the profile is a Heroku file which is used to web hosting. So we use web with the help of Gunicon, and we use wsgi for follow the next instructions. So that is wsgi.py, where I define my app key, how my app run. So this is my I import app, import from app, import app. Basically I in this app fold file I define the my app of Flask, which is already defined. So that is my app equal to Flask name. So this is called in my wsgi file, where I call, and after calling they create my builder. So this create the builder, and then next what we have to do, choose nothing, we choose free of cost everything, and just name the app ML project, ML Pro project. So this is your website link with the subname of 01 Kwabi. So this is your enough, and simply what you do, you choose ecosystem system and builder main, that is your. So I have already choose. So what we have to do, we simply click on the deploy button. After click on deploy button, or maybe I will show you. Already I use, so you can use only one website to host here. So I already so deploy. You get some error, but when you see the error, you just copy paste on the chat GPT or on your website and you fix the bug. So basically I have a one bug where it that is on NumPy. So I basically solve by the degrade with 1.38, 1.34 or 1.325. So the latest version is 1.26, so that is not support on my Python version. So I will dig, downgrade my NumPy. So that is basically work, and the site is already uploaded and hosted. So I will show you. And before you hosting, you can follow the documentation of Koyabi dot, where we how to deploy in different language or APIs, and how to use environment create, and how to use Docker or GitHub. So basically that is enough, and we don't define the requirement.txt. It is automatically detect and run or create environment by the build packer, build pack. So that is enough to create a new website, hosting new website of your ML project. So I hope you understand. So this is website which I host. This is my student math score prediction. So basically you create on predict now, you go to next page, and after that you can choose something meal, whatever your requirement or what you want to search. Standard test completed and score 56 and 76. So this is math prediction, and you can do, that is predict the math score is 74. So that is our basic project to implement or host the end-to-end project. And I have write all the requirement.txt file and modify it. So what we have to do now, I will upload or push this, and you can help with the this requirement.txt. You can follow this, and you can again start with this project on your local machine. So git status. So I modify the readme file and I write all the things. So git add all. After that, what we have to do now, I update all and git commit. That is update readme file. And we push git push you with origin. Now it is now on my GitHub account, so I will show you. Mm, where is my GitHub account? Yes. So I update my certifies today. So where is update? So I exactly host my website on the server, and I also use the readme file, and I will all describe my project here in readme. So you can basically use this documentation and run the application on your local machine. So I hope you understand how I create the end-to-end project with the help of Krishna Excel. So very thank to you, sir. I also created some more project like this and on generative AI. So you hope if you have any doubt, you can comment. Uh, This is my first end-to-end project which I do. So I hope you like it. If you want any more project, so comment below.